Hello, grade 7 students. Welcome to Mathematics 7, quarter 3, week number 7, and ready to answer activity number 1. The learner illustrates the circle and the terms related to circle just like radius, diameter, chord, center, arc, central angle, and inscribed angle is the learning competency of today's video. So to start with, let us try to familiarize circle vocabulary. So we have the definition or illustration of a circle. A circle is the set of all points that have the same distance from a fixed point. This fixed point is called the center of the circle. Suppose this is our circle. This point is the center or fixed point with a label of point C. So point C is the center or fixed point. To name this circle, it will read as circle C. Next term, we have the so-called radius, a segment drawn from the center to point on circle. Okay, so that is an example of radius. We have point O and point A. Connecting the 2 points, it creates an example of radius. So one of the endpoint of a radius should be the center or the fixed point, and also a point on the circle. So to name this point, it will read as line segment OA. So if you will name a radius, it should always be started on the center. Next, number 3, we have the so-called chord, a segment whose endpoints are on the circle. Okay, so it is a segment. Okay, so let's have the given chord. The first one is line segment BA or line segment AB. Another one, we have line segment CE or line segment EC. And the last one is line segment FD or line segment DF. And you can draw other examples of chord out of a circle. Same true to a radius. Number 4 is what we call diameter. A diameter is a chord that passes through the center of a circle. So as you can see on the illustration, we have point A, we have point B. If you will connect the 2 points, it will create a line segment that passes or intersect the fixed point or center of the circle. So that is a diameter. It divides the circle into 2 halves. And diameter is also known as the longest or spatial chord. So the name of this diameter is line segment AB or line segment BA. Number 5 is what we call central angle. A central angle is an angle whose vertex is on the circle center and whose sides intersect the circle at 2 points. Okay, so that is what we call central angle. So the vertex should be located on the center of the circle. The name of this central angle is angle APB or angle BPA. Number 6 is what we call an inscribed angle. An inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the center. Let's say point A, point B, and point C. You connect point A and B, so we have a chord, line segment AB. You also connect point A and point C, we will create line segment AC, or that is another example of chord. It means to say that an inscribed angle composed of two chords where the vertex is on the circle. So the name of this inscribed angle is angle CAB or angle BAC. Number 7 is a secant. A secant is a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. So the keyword here is line. Keywords are line, and then it intersects at 2 points. Suppose that is our circle, that is a line. The intersection of a circle and a line is in this point. Let's say point X, another point, point Y. Therefore, line XY is a secant. The 2 points that intersect, the intersection between the circle and a secant are points X and Y. Number 8, tangent. A tangent is a line in the plane of a circle that intersects the circle in exactly 1 point. The point is called a point of tangency. Okay, so that is a line. That is what we call point of tangency. The intersection between a line and a circle. Point of tangency. Suppose we have point A and point C. The tangent line is what we call line AC. And point B is what we call point of tangency. Number 9 is what we call arc, wherein there are 3 types of arc. The first one is what we call minor arc. Okay. It is less than, the measure of minor arc is less than 180 degrees. And you can name a minor arc using 2 letters, using 2 points. Let's say arc AB. So this is the symbol of an arc. The second type of arc is what we call the major arc. Okay. It is an arc whose measure is more than or greater than 180 degrees. And you can name a major arc or major arc using 3 letters, just like arc ACB, or you can interchange arc BCA. So minor arc is less than 180 degrees, while major arc is more than 180 degrees. And the third type of an arc is what we call a semicircle. It is an arc whose measure is exactly 180 degrees. Okay. So to name a semicircle, you can make use of 3 letters, just like arc EDF or arc FDA. We have also another arc. Take note that an arc divides the circle into 2 semicircles. Okay, so in your activity sheets in week number 7, you are going to illustrate the following figures, just like following parts of a circle. Okay, so just like central angle and intercepted arc. So you are going to draw a central angle, this one radius, and then we have inscribed angle, diameter and semicircle, secant and chord, tangent, chord, minor arc, and we have the last one, major arc. So you are going to write your answers in a pad paper. So that ends our session. Thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.